quick unboxing, and you can see I have something here from Foxy Fix. It kind of looks like it got a little beat up in its transit here. So, okay. So, that's one reason why I'm so thankful that they ship their items in a box, because that kind of saved it. And it has a little something to do with this. I think this is that order. So, so this is that Spice Jade. Such a pretty green. I'm going to see what it looks like when you fold it a bit. Oh, not much of a change. That's kind of interesting. And the underside, you can see it's a really pretty green. That's a really pretty color. Okay, I'm going to set that aside. And of course, the Foxy Fix business cards with all of their information. And there should be, let's see, we've got these, and then my invoice, and all of the worms, which need to, there we go. We'll get those out of the way. So you'll see I have two little pouches here. And let's open the larger one first. Oh, look how pretty. You can see the blind embossing where it says Foxy Fix. This is the large pen holder in the same color as this. This is the, I did get different stitchings. This one has a wheat stitching, and this one has cream stitching. See how the wheat matches the amber a little bit better? Also, I've been carrying this a lot, so it could be because I got it dirty. And then this has the cream stitching. Very, very, very pretty. And it'll hold quite a few pens. And the other item I got was the card holder. So this is for like a simple wallet. If you want to carry your driver's license, your like ATM debit card, a credit card, an insurance card, and that's it. You can, I know it says like 1 to 3 cards, but I've seen people fit quite a bit of stuff in them. So very pretty. So I have my lovely little trio for June, my micro, my number 0, and I couldn't remember what stitching I got, so I ordered cream with these. I guess that's the wheat, but they both look really, really, really nice. Oh, and this has the embossing on the back as well. Foxy Fix. Foxy Fix. And you can see the slight variation in color. Now, of course, this one I've been using and I've had for maybe 2 or 3 weeks. And I'm not fragile with it. It goes in my pocket. It gets thrown in my backpack, my gig bag with my flutes and stuff. See, it's been used, and it is a lighter color leather, so it is going to patina a bit. But it's the Wildflower Amber. That's this color, and it's in the same line of leathers as the cedar that I have, but this leather seems to be a little bit waxier, so I mean it will scratch if you see that. I just did that and you're probably thinking you're crazy, but take your thumb, rub, and it's, you know, and that's happened to this one. Like you can see, like there was a big old thumbnail scratch because I need to cut my nails. So I just thought I would show a quick little unboxing for those of you that have never seen in person the card holder. And this one, it's a tiny pen, but the pen sleeve. And it usually holds, like normally I can fit a fountain pen, a normal ballpoint pen, and a couple of mild liners. So you can fit about 4 or 5 pens in there. And the stitching is really nice and sturdy that it's not going to, nothing's going to happen there. Okay, I will link Foxy Fix down below. And if you have any questions, you know what to do. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.